A is for aircraft carrier. Aircraft carrier, carrier, floating like a giant base. B is for boat, 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 sailing in a gentle race. C is for canoe, 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 paddling softly on the lake. D is for dinghy, 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 bobbing with the waves we make. E is for escort ship, escort ship, escort ship, escort ship, protecting others on the go. F is for ferry, 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 carrying people to and fro. G is for gondola, 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 gliding through canals with style. H is for hovercraft, 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 floating fast for miles and miles. I is for icebreaker, 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 crushing ice to clear the way. J is for jet ski, jet ski, jet ski, zipping past in fun and play. K is for kayak, 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 one small paddle off we glide. L is for lifeboat, 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 saving lives on oceans wide. M is for motorboat, 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 speeding through the ocean spray. N is for navy ship, navy ship, navy ship, sailing proud in full array. O is for oil tanker, oil tanker, oil tanker, carrying fuel across the sea. P is for paddle boat, paddle boat, paddle boat, pedal power for you and me. Q is for quick sailboat, quick sailboat, quick sailboat, catching wind to ride so fast. R is for raft, raft, floating free as waters pass. S is for submarine, 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 diving deep where light is gone. T is for tugboat, 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 pulling ships and pushing strong. U is for underwater drone, underwater drone, underwater drone, exploring deep where no one goes. V is for vessel, 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 big or small, it smoothly flows. W is for water taxi, water taxi, water taxi, like a cab on open tide. X is for X-craft, 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 secret subs that like to hide. Y is for yacht, yacht, fancy boat with sails or power. Z is for Zulu boat, Zulu boat, Zulu boat, strong and steady every hour.